Welcome traders, it's Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about the day's trades with the Trading123 Opening Range Breakout Strategy. Very powerful strategy that trades the day's breakouts in the market, and it's often fast action to the upside or downside for quick gains from anywhere from $3, $5, $8 to $1,000. And it's a one and done trade with the strategy. And here are today's results. Now with the wider range in the market, typically we go for a $500 gain in the ES. Lately, this past week, we've been going, we upped our goal to 800. And as you see, the strategy hit the goal and stopped trading, places this green vertical line on the chart, plots this on the chart, and the trade is over. So this is a breakout to the upside. The previous day the market was down over 1,000 points. So what's going to happen the next day? You're going to get a reversal to the upside, and that's what happened. Shortly after, 3 minutes after the market opened, up we go. Targets are hit. A one and done trade. Should I had a larger profit goal? That doesn't really matter. I would have hit it regardless. If I had a $1,000 goal, it would have hit it in this breakout here. But we've been, we set our profit goals for 800, and you can't predict what's going to happen in the market, but the market was due to rebound after the $1,000 point sell-off the previous day, or it could have sunk another 1,000 points, and when we had caught the short to the downside. So the strategy did its job. That's all that matters. We made our profits in one trade. We're not sitting at the computer for 3 to 4 hours and trading all day and having a bunch of commissions. This is one trade. Commissions will be less than $15, and we made 800. So what's wrong with that? It's a very simple strategy to use. Now let's look at the strategy results. And there you go. 812 net profit, commission $12, profit factor 99, which is very good. 3 trades, 100% winners, all longs in the breakout. Average trade 270, largest winning trade 295. And potential gain on a 30-day basis that NinjaTrader calculates is over 24K. So that's the ES. Now you could trade 1 contract, 2 contract, 3, 5, 10. It's totally up to you and your trading style. There's no restrictions in the software. But I am comfortable trading 3 contracts, as when you start trading more contracts, you put on more risk. So let's look at our second trade. Pretty much like I said in the other videos, each day we typically trade the ES, CL, and YM on these opening range breakouts. The NQ gets a little bounce happy like a ping pong ball and rips up and down. So I'm not saying you can't trade it. But you want something that's, in a steady, slow grind to the upside. And that's what those 3 futures do. So as you see here, here's their screenshot of the crude oil trade. Now in this particular day, we were going for a $1,000 goal due to the wider range in crude oil. We come up a little shy. Market breaks out here, hits its first profit target, second profit target, and then our trail stop kicks in here, and this pulled back just a hair and then shot up. Otherwise we would have hit our goal, because this went from 106.10 to 106.34. So 20 ticks would have hit it. But we got 786 profit on this fast strategy. Like I said, this trade lasted less than 5 minutes, or from start to finish 10. So you start the strategy right here before 9:30, and it identifies the breakouts. Up it goes, goals hit, boom, boom, one and done. You're trying to pass a combine. This will help you do that. And here is the strategy performance for the trade. 786 is total net profit, 0 loss, 3 trades, all longs. Largest winning trade 385, potential gain on a monthly basis 23,000 for 30 days. Now let's look at our YM trade. And here is our YM trade. YM broke out here. We had a goal of 500, and up it went on 3 contracts. First 2 targets are hit, third target's hit. We get our 500. We've been doing that every day in the YM and hitting our goal all this week. And some days we get a little more. And now let's look at the performance of the YM trade. And there you have it, 487 total net profit. Commission on this live trade, 12 bucks. Profit factor, excellent, 99. 3 trades, all longs. Largest winning trade, 205. Potential gain on a monthly basis, 14,800. And that's our trades on this day, the 19th of May, 2022, with the opening range breakout strategy. Now, if you trade the ES, this would be the perfect strategy to get started with if you're trying to pass a combine. Like I said, these trades, when they break out, they go in one direction. In trading the ES or crude oil or YM, and you can often hit your profit targets very quickly. Now, I don't trade gold, so you're not going to see me do any gold trades. Yeah, you can, but I cannot trade everything. I've traded for over 24 years, and I find these 3 futures have nicer trends, and they go in one direction. They're not all over the place, and you will often hit your goal, as you see in these videos and the other videos I did. And if the trade breaks out, say, and goes right to this fib level 61.8 and then pulls back, well, your stop is going to protect your profits, so you're not going to get whacked and have a $300, $400 loss. Like we had a trade last week in the YM where it started to break out, stalled after hitting its first 2 contracts, and we got like $180 profit before it got stopped out on the 3rd contract. And the DAX, and like I said, gold and all them other futures, I've been trading these 3 for a long time, and they work, and I'm not gonna get involved in any of the other ones like the RTY, the Russell. People trade that, but it's kind of like a mini NQ. It just takes off with just takes off out of nowhere and bounces around like a ping pong, like NQ. So you want something that is trending, going nice slow grind like the ES. You don't have to worry about whipsaws and ping pong moves. And whatever works, you keep it and you repeat it and you do it again and do it again and do it again, and you just keep repeating it. And that's what happens here with the ORB strategy. So this is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips. And like us on social media, Facebook and Twitter. And thanks for watching the video. And we'll see you in the next one.